Now we are having a value based question. Okay, two institutions decided to award their employees for the values of resourcefulness, competency and determination in the form of prizes at the rate of rupees X, rupees Y and rupees Z respectively per person. The first institution described to award respectively 4, 3 and 2 employees with a total prize money of rupees 37,000. The second institution decided to award 5, 3 and 4 employees with the total prize money of rupees 47,000. If all the three prizes per person together amounts to rupees 12,000, then using matrix method find X, Y and Z. Okay, so this is basically a word problem, and word problem is we are going to convert the word problem in the linear equations and then solve it. Okay, now apart from these values, suggest two more values which can be considered for award. Now if this question is for 6 marks, then 5 marks for this part and 1 mark for this part. Okay, so apart from these values, we have to suggest two more values which can be considered for award. And what happens, students forget to answer the last part. Okay, so basically you can say this question is for two different parts. Okay, so let's first convert in the equations and then rubbing the question we are going to use the board. Okay, so now we are having equations, the variables are X, Y and Z, and the first equation is total employees that are 4, 3 and 2. So we can write it 4x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to, and the amount money is 37,000. 37,000. Then second equation is for 4, 5, 3 and 2. 4, 3, 2 is over, yes. So second is for 5, 3 and 4. So we are having 5x plus 3y plus 4z with amount 47,000. And the last is all the three together are for 12,000. X plus y plus z is equal to 12,000. Now we have first step is that we have converted the equations in the linear equations, and now we have written in the form the linear equations, and now we are going to write them in the matrix form. Okay, so using this board, let's solve the equation and then we are getting the values, and then finally remember we have to answer the other values also. Never to forget the second part. Okay, because then you are going to lose some marks. Now writing the equation in the matrix form, now we are having A is equal to coefficients for the variables 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, then 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4 and then 1, 1 and 1. Then we are having X as X, Y and Z, and then we are having B as, now we are having B 37,000, then 47,000 and then it is 12,000. So we have converted the equations in the matrix form. Now we are having AX is equal to B and X is equal to A inverse B. Now first step is to find the determinant. Okay, now determinant of A is equal to 4 with 3 minus 4 minus 3 with 5 minus 4 plus 2 with 5 minus 3. Now this becomes minus of 4, minus of 3 and plus 4. So we are having minus 3. Now determinant of A is not equal to 0, therefore A inverse exists. Now this is first basic step which we have done it. Okay, now we have to find cofactor. Okay, now finding the cofactors, we are having now cofactors. Now A11. Now A11 will be same. Now I am writing here -1 with 1 plus 1 with. Now A11 is what? 3 minus 4. So we are having -1. Okay. Then A12. Now A12 is equal to, A12 will be -1 raised to power 1 plus 2. So it is -1 with 5 minus 4. Again it is -1. Then A13. A13 is 1 with, now A13 1 plus 3. Okay. 1 with 5 minus 3, that is 2. Okay. 3 cofactors. Then A12. Again A12 -1, 1 plus 2. So -1 with. Now A12, we have to find this one. So it is 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to -1. A22. Again it is 1. -1 raised to power even power. So it is 1. Now A22. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, that is 2. And A23. Again -1 with 23 odd number. Okay. Now A23, this one we are having now this and this goes. So we are having 4 and 3. 4 minus 3. This is equal to -1. Okay. Now A31. Now, for A31 now we are having A31 is equal to, now again 3 and 1 even, so it will be 1. Now we are finding this one, this and this goes, 3 4s are 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. A32 is equal to -1. Now for A32 we are having 16 minus 10. 16 minus 10, this is equal to -6. And A33 will be 1 with A33 now 12 minus 15. Okay. 12 minus 15 is equal to -3. Okay. So here are all the 9 cofactors. Now we are writing it as adjoint. Now adjoint of A is equal to transpose of cofactors. Okay. So adjoint A is equal to, now it will be -1. This is -1. Then -1. Then 2. -1. 2. -1. 6. -6 and -3. Okay. Adjoint of A, cofactors in the form of transpose. Now we have to move with X is equal to A inverse B. Okay. Now X is equal to A inverse B. X is equal to A inverse. Now what is A inverse? A inverse is 1 upon determinant of A with adjoint A. Now it is with B. Okay. Or you can write it like this. Adjoint A with B. Now let's solve it. Now we are having X is equal to, now determinant of A. Determinant of A is what? -3. Okay. So 1 upon -3 with, now adjoint cofactors, -1 -1 6, -1 2 -6 and 2 -1 -3 with B. B is 37,000, 47,000 and 12,000. So this becomes now 1 upon -3 goes with, now 37 minus 1, 37,000 minus 47,000 plus 12 6 are 72,000. Okay. So first row, first column. Now second row, second column. We are having minus 37,000 plus 94,000 minus 72,000. Okay, then we are having 24,000, sorry, it is 2 with 37, 74,000, 2 with 37 minus 47,000 and minus 36,000. Is it clear? Now further we are having x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Now 37 plus 47, it is 84 minus of 84 plus 72. Okay, so we are having 72 and 84. So 84 and 72 minus 37, 47, 82, 72 and 84, 12,000. Negative of 12,000. Then minus 37, 94 and minus 72, minus 15,000. And then 74 minus 47 minus 47 minus 36 and 74. This becomes negative of 9,000. So now x is equal to, we are having 4,000, 5,000 and 3,000. X is equal to 4,000, y is equal to 5,000 and z is equal to 3,000. Okay, so these are the award amounts. Okay, so now we are going to write it in the form of rupees. Now x is equal to rupees 4,000, y is equal to rupees 5,000 and z is equal to rupees 3,000. Okay, now we have to answer what was the last part of the question. Apart from these values, we have to give any two more values. Okay, apart from these values. So what can be? It was resourcefulness, competency, termination. Then it can be what? You can write number of more values. It can be strong work ethic. Okay, so it can be now strong work ethic, then responsibility, after responsibility can have honesty, integrity. So you have to write only two. You can write number of values. You are aware of number of values, so never miss 1 mark for the value based question. Okay, so here is the question and we can move.